supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down.
Okay, so this is such a short notice, but anyway, here's what I can say about Cesar. While growing up, I've seen Cesar's curiosity and interest in how gadgets work. I recall several times when he would get our electric fan, dismantle it, and put the parts back. Clever. Cesar is also street smart. You can throw him anywhere and he would thrive. But best of all, he is a good family man, looking after the interests of Aimee and the kids. And he made sure they are amply provided for. Happy 70th, Cesar. God bless you in all that you do. Love, Ate.
I've been so selfish and made you believe.
Hi, Cesar. 5 taon nang pala tanda ako sa'yo. Akala ko nung bata pa tayo, mga 10 years tanda ako sa'yo, kaya hasta ko sa'yo, tatay. So later, na-realize ko, gaya ng nasabi mo, dapat ako yung matandang kuya. No? Kaya simula nun, sinasama kita sa mga lakad ko. Alam mo kung anong pinakahahangaan ko sa'yo? Yung katatagan mo, yung katapangan mo. Nung magkaroon tayo ng kotse, inaku mo ka agad na ikaw ang magiging driver. Kahit mas matanda ako sa'yo. Kaya ikaw ang kasama-sama ni Daddy pag namamalengke sa Tanay, lalo na nung magkasakit siya. Napilitan lang ako nung makulong ka sa Abra. At yun ang pangalawang hinahangaan ko sa'yo. Kahit na ako ang naunang namulat sa atin, lumaban sa martial law, ikaw yung naging mas matatag na naging sanhi ng pagkakulong mo. Muli, ako'y nagpapasalamat sa naging tulong mo sa amin nung nakaraang taon, ganun din kay Eman at saka kay Carl. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo at patnubayan ka ng pong may kapal ngayon at magpakailanman.
Hello, Cesar. Happy birthday. Welcome to our club, ang club ng mga 70s. And I think when you reach the age of 70, it's really an accomplishment. Looking back at your life, I can say that you have been a good son to Daddy and Mommy. You have been a good brother to all of us. You have been a good husband to Aimee, a good father. You have been a good grandfather. And most of all, I also saw that you have been a good friend to everyone. In fact, until now, your friends when you were younger are still your friends now. Sabi nga yung 7 daw means totality, completion, perfection. So kung masasabi mo, at least you have done a good job. Well done. But 7 also connotes a fresh start, a restoration of ourselves, and perhaps also a cleansing of ourselves. Kung halimbawa there are things that we have done wrong in the past, it is time to restore ourselves, our real selves. So I wish na sana at your age at 70, your future will be better. You will be blessed more, and you will just harness everything that you have planted into a beautiful and wonderful life. Happy birthday again, Cesar, and we love you.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind.
Cesar, what can I say? Actually, a lot. Cesar is full of life from childhood to the present. Okay, unforgettable experiences or memories of Cesar. When we were young, ay naamoy ko yung buhok ni Cesar. Amoy Vicks Vaporub. Sabi ko, ba't, ano yan? Ba't amoy Vicks Vaporub? Pala nilagay niya sa hair niya. Akala niya pomade or something like hair gel. Ako naman naglagay ng safety pin. Akala ko hair pin. Nakita ko rin si Cesar nagtatago sa dilim, kumakain ng barbecue. Mapansin ko, hindi pala luto ang barbecue. Ang sarap daw, kain siya ng kain ng barbecue. Ano pa yung... si Cesar, kumakain ng, sabi niya, tikman mo masarap. Chicharon, lasang chicharon. Yung pala, durog na concrete, yung mga bato-bato. Buti na lang, hindi ko tinikman. Cesar, nagsusuperhero. Tumalon siya, parang, kunyari, superhero, tumalon siya. Nasabit yung neck niya sa sampayan. Cesar is my partner sa parties. Actually, siguro bodyguard ko yun. Pero, partner, bodyguard. I think Daddy saw himself in you, Cesar. Yung dismantling toys, things, and then assembling them back together again. Kaya siguro naisip niyang bagay ka sa IBM. Ang favorite staff niya, hindi ko nalimutan ko yung name, from Picat. Kaya pinag-aral ka ni Daddy. Gusto ni Daddy mag-aral ka sa Picat. I hope Daddy can see what you have become, Cesar. For sure, he will be very proud of you. Love you.
I don't care about your history. Come and open up your heart to me.
Ang isang hindi ko nakakalimutan kay Cesar ay nung mga bata kami, hinahabol ko siya ng itak. Madalas magkaaway kami niyan. Kasi lagi siyang nangiinis, ako naman bugnutin ako. So may panahon na kumuha ako, napuno ako. Kumuha ako ng itak, hinabol ko siya sa harap ng bahay, do sa aming garden. Paikot-ikot kami do sa balon. At talagang binato ko siya. Pero nadaplisan lang, hindi naman tumama sa kanyang paa. Tapos nagsusumbong siya na initak daw siya. So ang tawag ko nun kay Cesar, Cesar Asar, kasi lagi akong inaasar. Pero nagbago yun. Kasi nung later, siya yung nag-recruit din sa akin na maging aktivista. So nagkaroon na kami ng common na prinsipyo sa buhay. So hindi na kami talaga galit-galit. So dahil sa aming magkakapatid, dahil yung mga magkakasunod kasi, yan ang mga madalas nag-aaway. Pero ngayon makikita mo, lahat naman kami magkakapatid ay maayos ang relasyon sa isa't isa. So sa ngayon, na birthday ni Cesar, binabati ko siya ng maligayang kaarawan at sana ay marami pang araw ng iyong isa-celebrate sa iyong buhay. Happy birthday, Cesar!
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Papa. Happy 70th birthday. Nako, tumatanda ka na. Pero for me, you're still young. Hindi ko man sasabi to sa'yo, pero sa totoo lang, you've been a super dad for me. Mula bata hanggang pagtanda, actually tinitingala kita. You've been our all-around handyman, a good, providing and loving father, na parang lahat actually kaya mo. Kaya nung nalaman ko na nahirapan ka na maglakad, actually nalungkot ako nun. Pero ganun talaga, kasama yun sa pagtanda. Ang lagi ko lang hiling kay Lord ay lagi ko yung proteksyonan ni Mama. Hindi magkasakit, always be healthy, stress-free, and happy. Yun lang naman hinihiling ko. Kaya happy birthday ulit sa'yo, Papa, and may you have more birthdays to come. I love you so much. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ni Mama. Bye.
I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now.
You say take me on a treasure hunt.
Hi Pa, happy 70th birthday, and this is an incredible milestone, 70 years of amazing life. And I just want to say that I love you very much, and I'm grateful to be your daughter. You're my mentor, my guide, my supporter, not just to me actually, but also to my children, and I'm thankful for that. I guess ang hindi ko makakalimutan would be our childhood memories that it's always spent with family. So, every Sunday, yung family day natin, lagi tayo pumunta sa Pasig. So, dinadalo natin lagi sila la Mami, andun sila Uncle Etay, sila Tita Norma, and that's every Sunday. Simple joys, basta it's spent with family. And also yung Baguio natin, every summer, and also yung outing, that it's spent not just with immediate family, but also with cousins, titos, titas, and lola mami, that we have built this close-knit relationship. And I'm proud to say that I'm part of the Castle family, where I can say that it's full of love sa family lagi. What? You've been a good provider to us, and also your dedication to our family and your ability to stay, lagi na kaya to no matter what, has always inspired me. So from building a wonderful family to achieving so much in your career, from IBM Philippines to IBM Kuwait, and your contribution sa community natin, sa agro community, and also sa Rotary and sa co-op, you've done it all with grace and determination, and I'm proud to be your daughter. So as you enter this new chapter, I hope it's filled with more joy, good health, and more adventures. I can't wait to create more adventures with you, more memories with you, and I'm really lucky to have you in my life. Happy birthday, and here's to many more birthdays to come, more laughter and happiness. Mahal na mahal kita.
Happy birthday, Papa. Sorry wala kami dyan ngayon. Bawi na lang next year pag nakauwi. Tanda ko pa nung umalis ako ng bansa. That was 10 years ago, just right after your 60th birthday. At ngayon, 70 ka na. Ang bilis ng panahon. Isa siguro yun sa mga regrets ko, that I wasn't there for you. I wasn't there with you throughout your 60s. Pero kahit ganun pa man, always remember that I love you, that I'm always appreciative and grateful for everything that you've done for me. Thank you for being a great father, for being a good provider, sa pagbibigay ng baon, sa pagbibili ng mga gusto ko ipabili. sa paghahatid sundo sa school, pag naiwan ako ng school bus, paghatid sundo sa mga gala. With no questions asked, you're there for me. Thank you for being a good role model, for showing me how to be a good father, to always have patience, to be the leader of the family, and to always be there and present when you're needed. Thank you for showing me how to become positive always, to always have a smile on my face and see humor in everything. Thank you for all the family time sa mga gala na mga natin every Sunday, at lagi ka nagpaplano ng mga next na lakad natin. Isa yun sa mga values na gusto ko ipakita sa mga anak ko, to cherish every moment with the family and to keep those memories as they are priceless and irreplaceable. Thank you for all the sacrifice. For nung dati, kahit gusto mo na mag-retire, pinili mo pa rin mag-trabaho sa ibang bansa, mag-OFW sa Kuwait. Kahit alam kong gaano kahirap yun at ayaw mo nang gawin yun. Nakita kong gaano kahirap nung umpisa. Si mama umiiyak sa gabi palagi. At alam ko, ikaw'y malungkot din palagi nun. Gusto ko sana maghumingi ng sorry for everything, sa lahat ng pagkakamali ko. I know I'm not a perfect son, but you chose to be there for me always, to stand at my corner and to fight by my side. I just wanna say thank you for everything. I'm wishing you all the happiness in the world. Sana mag-enjoy kayo dyan. Stay healthy and more birthdays to come. I want to spend more time with you. I want my children to get to know you more. And I am very happy and grateful that you are my dad. God bless, at saka ingat kayo palagi dyan ni Mama. I love you always. See you soon.
You persist fire, you hold rain, but you forget about staying.
Happy birthday to the best father-in-law in the world. Thank you for being the dad that I never had. Wishing you a year filled with joy, love, and happiness that you deserve. I'm so grateful for the amazing man that you've raised. Kahit di niya namana yung sense of humor mo, at least pareho kayong pogi sa paningin namin ni Mama. Thank you for everything. I love you, and God bless.
I'm waiting for something to change, 'cause when I'm not here.
Happy 70th birthday, Papa. I wish that you have more birthday candles to blow, and stay healthy. Kayo po ni Mama. And thank you po sa lahat. And thank you po at naging part po ako ng family ninyo and ng buong Castro clan. And salamat po sa suporta. Naalala ko lang po dati nung mag-girlfriend, boyfriend pa lang po kami ni Eman, is lagi nyo po kami inahatid kung may pupuntahan po kami, and na-appreciate ko po yun. And na-appreciate ko rin po yung lagi po kayo, pag dumadalaw po kayo dito, kayo po yung nagbe-babysit sa mga bata and nilalaro nyo po sila. Salamat po sa mga memories. And also, wish ko rin po sana tumatag pang inyong mga tuhod, para po makabalik po kayo dito ni Mama at makagala pa po tayo sa South Island. Ayun lang po. Happy birthday and enjoy your day. Bye!
I keep searching. I need you to be fine.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Thank you for taking care of all of us and for helping out with my school tuition.
Happy 70th birthday, Lolo. Ang tanda mo na. Sana mag-enjoy ka today and lagi mo tandaan na love ka namin lahat. Kahit malayo kami dyan sa tabi nyo, ikaw na ang tumungtong tatay nung bata kami and never mo pinabayaan. So, thank you so much sa lahat, Lolo. Thank you dahil nandyan ka lagi for us kapag may kailangan kami. Thank you dahil nung bata kami, ikaw naghahatid at nagsusundo sa school. at sa mga gala ko nung high school. At hindi ko mararating lahat ng narating ko ngayon kung wala ka dyan sa tabi ko na tumutuntong sa paggabay sa amin. Enjoy mo day mo today and love you, Lolo. Dito lang ako lagi for you and for all our family dyan. Mag-enjoy kayo today. Love you all. See you on Christmas.
Birthday, Lolo. Sana okay ka lang sa Pilipinas. Araw-araw ako nagpapasalamat sa Diyos na ikaw naging lolo ko. Kasi ikaw ang pinakamabait na lolo sa buong mundo. Sana magkaroon ka ng mahabang buhay that's full of joy. Kasi mahal na mahal ka namin, Lolo. Love you.
Happy 70th birthday, Lolo. I hope you're doing good sa Philippines. Miss na kita at miss ko din yung mga times nasa bahay kami dati sa 2 years ago. Miss ko all the times kita at kita ka kasama si Lola or si Kuya Rans or si Ate Raya at yung mga trips natin sa Enchanted Kingdom or sa mall, yung kumakain lang. Hope to see you soon sa November at have a good birthday. Love you, Lolo. Love you, Lola. Good.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's
Happy birthday, Lolo. I love you.
Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Birthday, Lolo.
Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes? Until winter comes?
Hi, my dear hubby. Happy birthday. Grabe, 70 years old ka na. And I want to thank the Lord for those beautiful years. And syempre, naging part din ako ng mga taon na yun. I just want to tell you how much I love you and how grateful I am for everything that you have done to our family. You've been my partner, my rock, my BFF through all those years. And mahal na mahal ka namin ng mga anak mo. And siyempre, blessed ako na ikaw ang naging asawa ko. I'll never forget the early days of our marriage. Siyempre, may adjustment. Pero nalampasan natin yun. Like raising our kids, building our home, and creating a lifetime of memories. Yung family natin, diba, laging nasa Baguio noon, yung mga Sunday lunch natin, nakasama mga kids, at marami pang iba. Siyempre, isang bagay pa rin na pinapasalamat ko sa'yo, yung lagi kang may time para sa akin. And I really treasure that. Even mga simple moments na magkasama tayo. Wala naman ako masasabi sa'yo kasi you're a good provider, a good family man, a hardworking and loving person. Your dedication to our family and your ability to stay positive no matter what has always inspired me. Hindi lang ikaw isang mabuting ama para sa iyong mga anak, ikaw ay napakabuti rin asawa para sa akin. At dahil 70 ka na nga, siyempre I look forward na spending many more years with you, creating new memories and enjoying our time together. Sana ay marami pang taon tayong magkasama. And lastly, siyempre, cheers to many more years of togetherness, laughter, happiness, and everything. I love you and I am truly proud to be your wife. I love you and happy birthday again. Bye-bye.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all.